so problem 15. So first off, I hope you cross-multiplied. So you'd have 4 times v minus 4 equals v times v minus 6. So that's the first step I would do. Then next step is distribute in both cases. So we'd have 4v minus 16 equals v squared minus 6v. Okay. And so we've got to move it either to the left or to the right so that we set it equal to 0 when you have a squared term for a variable. So I'm going to move everything to the right. So I'm going to minus the 4v, minus the 4v. And I'm going to add 16 and add 16. Whoops, I'm out of room there. There we go. And so 0 equals v squared minus 10v plus 16. Okay, and I don't know, that bothers me, so I'm going to rewrite it on the left, but it doesn't matter. Okay, and you can use any method you choose. So if you want to factor it, we can factor it. If you want to use quadratic formula, you can use quadratic formula. Let's see, 4 and 4, 8 and 2. Oh, this one factor is really easy. So I was just going through and looking at 16. Possibilities for 16 are 4 and 4, or 8 and 2, or 16 and 1. And if you notice, 8 and 2 will give me 10. So I know we've got a factorable problem here. So we factor it. Minus plus is minus minus. V and V. And I know it's going to be 8 and 2 because that gives me the 10 in the middle. Then you can check your answer. Like I showed you. Check the middle 2, negative 8v, and the outside 2, negative 2v. And that's negative 10v, which is what we wanted. So v minus 8, last step, you set them to 0, equals 0, or v minus 2 equals 0. One of those two has to be 0 to make 0. So v would equal 8. Or v would equal 2. And you've got your two answers.